Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process on how to deposit money in the OKX Wallet. First, open your OKX application on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Now tap on Receive on the main screen to start the deposit process. You will need to select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. For example, you can choose USDT or Tether from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Tap on USDT to proceed. After selecting the cryptocurrency, you will need to select the appropriate network for the deposit. Make sure to choose the network that matches the one used by the wallet or exchange from which you are transferring funds. Once you have selected the network, you will see your deposit address displayed on the screen. You can copy this address by tapping on the copy icon. You can also select more cryptocurrencies if you wish to deposit different types. Just repeat the previous steps for each cryptocurrency. After copying the address, go to the wallet or exchange from which you are sending the funds, paste the address, and complete the transfer. Once the transfer is initiated, you can monitor the status of your deposit in your OKX wallet. It may take a little time for the funds to appear in your balance depending on network congestion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.